Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a special video for you guys. This is my girl Allie. I've been doing her hair for about 17 months and I've never done a video with her. So I decided to ask her if I could shoot this. We are transforming her hair today. We always do a very tightly packed half head baby light. She always had dark hair underneath. And then we ended up making everything blonde and brightening up underneath the last couple months. Now we decided we want to tone her hair down and do a little bit of a break. She went to somebody else when I wasn't available a couple of months back, and they did some foils around the head and it caused a little bit of breakage. So what I'm doing now is actually toning the hair down today. We're going to add a couple of highlights, regular highlights, a thicker stitch with also low lights that are a regular stitch. And underneath, I'm gonna fill this and darken it all back to a level 4. So what I'm doing right now is filling that underneath Peekaboo. I used a concoction of different colors. So for her formula that I'm filling with, I did 8 colors. I did 8GG, 8C, 7G, 7C, 6CR, 6CB, 5C, 5G, Redken Shades EQ, and I mixed it with the thicker gel processing solution. Now I'm gonna fold a couple of foils up, put that underneath, make sure it's packed away safe, and let that process while I do the rest of her hair. We're going to be doing a bigger subsection low light highlight with a traditional stitch. So this is not my normal baby light stitch. These are bigger stitches so we get more of an impact and they're more defined. And also doing a low light, which I'm using Joico Lumishine, the liquid demi line, and I'm using 7 NWB with a dedicated 5 volume for the low light. Lightener, I'm using Blonde Me, of course, with 20 volume and a 16th ounce of Olaplex, my go-to. And now we're just gonna get into it.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine.
So the goal is to add a little bit more dimension with the low light, the bigger stitch, leaving bigger subsections. And then once we're done with all this, we're going to tone everything down. I want to keep her like a level 8, 9, still bright, but more toned down for the winter months ahead. All right, guys, so this is going to be our final color for underneath. This is going to be the final color. We're going to put that on and let everything process for like 15, 20 minutes. Then we're ready to rinse and tone and smudge. This is 5N, 4N, 4NA, 5NA, so it's an equal 4.5. We're going to just throw it on and put those foils back on it, so stay tuned. So now the underneath is filled. I'm going to take a processing cap and put it on the back foils and clip it up to ensure that nothing will get on any of the blonde hair or the foils above. Now I'm going to take a towel and literally wipe off that filling formula. Best thing about this is you don't need to wash it and then start over and apply the final color. You can literally wipe it down with a towel and just apply this final formula right above it. Then we'll let this all process until it's ready, and then we'll end up washing everything out, root toning her, and also toning her.
I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down.
All right, so she processed about 25 minutes, and now we're going to do her root tap formula, which is an 8N Redken Shades EQ, just 8N. We want to do a slight tap. She wants it to be all the way to the root and look almost raw. And then for her all over formula, we did 9NB, 9G, 8WG. We let that all sit on for about 10 minutes. And this is the final results, you guys. Look how beautiful this is. She's toned down for the winter, and this is a great color to get her hair back on track and exactly what she needs to hold her over until springtime, where we can lighten her back up again. Let me know down below what you think. Please feel free to subscribe, like, share, do all the things like that. Let's get me out there. Let's grow this community and channel. I love you all so very much, and I'll see you in the next one. As always, guys, so long for now.
What's no more, we don't know. No, what's no more, we don't know. No, what's no more, we don't know. No, what's no more.